Hey guys, so tonight it's about, what time is it? Give me 1 second, guys. Oh, hello, it's 1 in the morning. The reason why I'm up so early is because, today was the last day of school, and I'm a senior, yay. Okay, so, today may be kind of boring for some viewers, but today I have a really interesting math problem that I want everyone to see. Gotta kind of label it. Okay, so to solve this equation, we have 9x minus 7i is greater than 3 times 3x minus 7u. If you're anything like me, you suck at math. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this down. So I saw this on the internet, and I did not think one bit that it was going to be, it wasn't a legit answer. Come to find out that it was. So, well, to get started, you've seen the equation. The first thing we need to do is figure out this part right here. This does not exist. We are going to completely ignore that. Now what we got to do is we got to figure out this right here, which means that we have to take this 3 and we have to distribute it between the other 3 and the 7. Distribute property, well, I just explained it. You multiply the number outside the parentheses to the ones inside the parentheses. So how that's going to work is, well, first we're going to draw some pretty arrows here. I know you guys think math and it's like Snoresville. It's like middle school and high school all over again, right? Okay, so this is where we just get into basic multiplication. We got the 3 and the 3 that will equal 9x, and then since the 7 is negative, we keep the negative sign, so that's a 9x minus, and then that's going to lead into 7 times 3, which is a 21u. Okay, so we stop ignoring this part right here. We're just going to stop ignoring it, and we're going to bring it down, so that's 9x minus 7i. Okay, so we have this. Now if you see, we're left with the same numbers on each side. What we want is to get this x and this x completely wiped off of our equation. So what we're going to do is the 9x on this side, what we're going to do is we're going to subtract it from each side of the greater than sign. So we're left with the problem that looks like this. We're going to make a little sign, a little line at the bottom that shows that we are adding this up, and we are going to completely erase that off of our equation. Yuck. Permanent marker doesn't taste good. Okay. So that's completely wiped off. What we're going to do now is we're going to bring the 7i, the greater than sign, and the 21u, the negative 21u, we're going to bring that down. So it's negative 7i is greater than negative 21u. Okay, now, with this, there are several ways you can do this. I'm going to show one of them on the back, but that's not what I'm going to do right now. You can have the 7i, well, you know what I'm going to do? See, we've got the rest of the problem on the back. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show that to you at the end. Right now I'm going to show you the way I'm going to do it. Right here, you see we have 2 negatives. That is one thing you don't want in a problem, so what you can do is you can switch the greater than sign to a less than sign just like that, and then you just bring down these numbers and you turn those into a positive. Just like that. I never understood why this was. You're not supposed to have two negatives in a problem. Like, it contradicts something or something, I don't know. But, here comes the fun part. We get to divide the 7 on each side. Right now we're gonna get my easy out marker. We are going to completely take this off right here, except for the I, but we're going to leave this because we're going to need that. So, if we've learned anything in math, 21 divided by 7, which if you're a cheater like I am, you can look up at the top and you can see that, 7 times 3 is 21, so you can kind of add 2 and 2 together and know that that's 3. So that means we're left with I is less than 3u. You see what I did there? So do you guys have a really, really interesting math problem? Who says you can't add 11 to math? I mean, that's just ridiculous. And it's true, guys. I love you. Okay, so this is just for kicks and giggles right here. The other way you can do this problem, if you want to do it, have someone else figure it out or something to give you as some sort of love message or whatever. What you can do is you can divide the -7. Instead of just switching it, you can just go ahead and divide it. It's not really going to make a difference because one trick I use with the temple triangle. I have always used this trick. Okay, so you see, you have a triangle, and at the bottom you have 2 negatives, and then you get the 1 positive up here that kind of shows that 2 negatives can equal a positive, but a positive and negative can equal another negative. So, and as always, a positive equals a positive. So what this is going to do is this is going to take the I, and when you're dividing when you have greater than or less than, when you divide 2 negatives, you have to switch. So you kind of gotta reverse this to where it's facing the other way. And when you have 2 of these, that's when that happens. So, and then those, obviously, you have the 2, those turn to a positive, just like that. And that's where you get the 3, and then you bring down the same concept, guys. I didn't mean for this video to be so long. I wanted to show you guys how to create a very interesting love letter to someone. So I hope you guys enjoy. I had fun doing it. I don't like math, but this was a very, very interesting experience. Okay, guys. I'll talk to you guys later.